Are you safe from the AI takeover? These tools are already replacing real jobs, and you might be next. Let's look at the AI tools that are changing the workforce forever. Welcome to BoostMind AI, your trusted source for free AI tools, productivity hacks, and future tech trends. Subscribe now and stay ahead in this fast-changing world. First, let's talk about writing tools. ChatGPT and Claude are transforming how content is created. They write articles, scripts, emails, and more with stunning accuracy. Jobs affected include content writers, copywriters, and customer service agents. In many companies, these tools have replaced entry-level writing roles. But if you master these tools, you can write faster and smarter than ever. Next is design. Canva AI and Adobe Firefly are making design simple and automatic. They generate logos, banners, thumbnails, and marketing graphics with just a few clicks. Many small businesses now use these tools instead of hiring full-time designers. Still, human creativity is needed to stand out. Let's move to coding. GitHub Copilot and Replit Ghostwriter help developers write code faster. They can suggest functions, fix bugs, and explain code. This affects junior developers, QA testers, and web designers. While they don't replace expert developers, beginners may find fewer opportunities unless they learn to work with these tools. Now, video creation and editing. Pictory AI, Runway ML, and Descript are changing the game. They remove backgrounds, add captions, generate B-roll, and even clone voices. Video editors, podcast editors, and YouTubers can now do more in less time. In the business world, admin tasks are also going AI. Notion AI, Otter AI, and Durable AI can handle notes, tasks, summaries, and even build full websites. Admin assistants, junior marketers, and virtual assistants are seeing roles reduced as these tools take over routine work. But here's the reality check. AI is not here to replace every job. It's replacing repetitive tasks. People who learn to use these tools will replace those who don't. The real winners are AI-powered professionals. So instead of fearing AI, embrace it. Learn it. Use it to work faster, smarter, and better. Want to future-proof your skills? Subscribe to BoostMind AI. We share powerful tools, tutorials, and tips every week. Which of these AI tools surprised you the most? Tell us in the comments. Thanks for watching BoostMind AI. Adapt, evolve, and thrive.